Every enterprise runs AI differently. An oncology team doesn't work like a trading desk. Neither works like a defense analyst. But every platform promises the same thing to everyone. So teams pay the platform tax. They wait for the next release. They build brittle workarounds outside the platform. They accept the 80% fit. None of it scales, and all of it compounds. Domino adapts to your work, not another app store, not a catalog of standalone tools you install on top. Extensions aren't additions to Domino. They're Domino, shaped around how your team actually works. What could you build? Almost anything you can imagine surfacing inside the platform. Custom development environments tuned to your stack. Domain-specific data explorers. Governance workflows that match your regulations. Marketplace browsers, documentation generators, admin tools, review interfaces. If your team works with it, you can build an extension for it. Here's what that looks like. Say you're on a clinical program with a very specific kind of data set that needs prescriptive transformations. You can bring in an extension, open your files directly inside it, and see the schema, data quality, charts, even a natural language prompt for exploring and verifying your changes. You don't have to spin up a workspace or write a notebook. What if you're a defense contractor who just finished training a model and now needs to document it for validation? Today that can take days of manual writing, which goes stale the moment you retrain. With an extension, you click the model, Domino reads your code and your experiment run, and you get citation-backed documentation in minutes. If you're a quant researcher hunting for alternative data, you'll want to easily see what your firm has already licensed and what's approved for use. An extension lets you browse vetted sources from the project sidebar, check pricing and schemas, and subscribe without ever leaving Domino. Say a regulator just published a 140-page guidance update. Someone has to read it, interpret it, turn it into policy. With an extension, you drop in the PDFs, and Domino drafts candidate rules mapped to your existing governance center controls. You review, approve, and ship. Different problems, different teams. Same Domino, shaped to fit each. And here's the thing. We've built some of these. Your team can build them too. Or we can build them with you. Our field engineers, our solutions architects, and our partners. This is what they do. They know Domino, they know your industry, and they turn your specific workflow into an extension that lives inside the platform. The framework is open. Extensions inherit everything Domino already does. Governance, lineage, audit trail, scale. There's nothing extra to manage. And extensions know your project, your data, your user. The examples you just saw are illustrative of what's possible. The first wave of Domino official extensions lands soon, fully validated and held to the same quality bar as the core release. And whether you build the next one, we build it, or we build it together, it's your flavor of Domino. Domino adapts to your work.